is what it looks like, guys. I am in freaking love. I think that this looks so freaking cute. All right, guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Myfirstwigs.com for sponsoring today's video. So today's a really cute Yaki bob vibe today, guys. Very nice. So they sent me this unit, guys. It's very pretty. As you guys can tell, the texture is giving very much straight, textured, relaxed vibes. It's a really pretty unit, guys, and it also has these nice highlights on it. Now it is a large cap size, about a 13 by 6, so you guys can see there's a lot of parting space on this unit, and you guys know I love a good parting space, and this is giving parting space. Obviously, you guys can see that the knots on this unit are bleached, so the unit comes prepared. It is actually also tweezed as well too, so it makes it super easy to install this unit. Obviously, in this video today, I'm gonna just do a quick fast forward. I wanted to come and talk to you guys about the unit first, just so you guys can see it straight out the box, guys. This is not a prepared unit. I'm taking it straight out the box and installing the unit. These units are beginner friendly, so it's literally something that you could take out the box, put it on, and have a quick style. So today's styling is going to be a quick styling, but it's going to be a slayful style per usual. And you guys know bob season is here. Bob season is like a year-round thing, but during this time you want to add like a little highlight to it. You want to get like a nice little cut going, so I thought this would be nice today. I'm also going to switch this up. It did come to me in kind of like a middle part style, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a side part just because I love the texture and I love the length of it. So I think a side part will look real clean and cute and fresh. Trust me on this one, it's gonna look really nice, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit, and I'll come back for the final thoughts. Saw what I did with this unit. It is looking super cute, guys. Now initially I was gonna just wear this unit straight, but I said, you know what, let me add like a little bit of a layer, let me add like a little bit of a like nice light curl. Now obviously you guys can see the ends of the unit are kind of straight still, so I basically curled it at the root and kind of left it straight. And the reason why I did that is because I still want the texture to be texturing. I don't want it to be too like curled up or whatever. So you guys can see this Yaki straight texture is absolutely stunning, guys. You guys can see the layers in the cut that I did on this side. I literally just layered the front portion of this hair. I added some hairspray, so that's why the hair is kind of like uniform. But obviously when you bring your hands to it, it'll kind of break up the uniform curls a little bit. So this is what it looks like, guys. I am in freaking love. I think that this looks so freaking cute. Looks very refreshing. Like I said, I was originally going to do the middle part style, but I say, you know, middle part is kind of boring. We always do a middle part. Let's just change it up a little bit. So a nice side part bob, guys, with a little bit of a light curl. It's just giving what it's supposed to give. It just gives you guys more of a sophisticated dom look. I feel like the unit is very nice and refreshing to wear, especially with the highlights not being so strong. The highlights are the perfect blend, the perfect color mix, and I feel like it's not doing too much, it's just doing enough. And like I said, trying to add those types of colors into the fall season is perfect. I feel like this kind of 30 color, I would consider it's like a 30 color, is perfect for the season. I don't know, guys, let me know what you guys think. I just think it looks so cute. The hair does curl pretty nicely, guys. You will have to use a nice hairspray to kind of make sure that it holds the style. I use the Even Wonder Lace as the wig spray. Obviously I use it to install the unit today as well too, so it's very simple install. The lace is clean AF, guys. I decided not to do baby hairs on this unit just because why do baby hairs and mess up this beautiful hairline, this very elegant look? But if you want to do baby hairs, to each his own. But I felt like with this high quality unit from Myfirstwigs.com, you literally don't have to do any of that mess. Just use a little bit of spray to glue it down. Well, glue it down, spray it down, and then you're pretty much good to go, guys. Like, this is really something, you know, of age, you know, of my age. I feel like it definitely gives a different vibe of dom, and it just looks really, really good. Like, I am in love with this little feather bang I created, baby. Like, do y'all see that? Like, that layering? I'm just getting better at this every single day. So I'll go ahead and leave a coupon code down below and all the information you need if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Myfirstwigs.com, guys. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.